Hey y'all, Domino here. Okay. All right. So I'm back with another vlog. As always, let me cut this light on so y'all can see me better. Okay. So anyway, I know y'all probably watched that Jim Telefest episode that I did Saturday, uploaded it yesterday and stuff like that. Okay. So there's something I want to talk about, y'all, about that last clip on the Gentilly Fest before the final thought. Okay, not about Destiny. I'll get the Destiny in a few. Okay, she's my favorite. Okay, so anyway, y'all, about Catrice though. I don't know if y'all paid attention to that, and she said that I was her ex man. You know, I want to let y'all know something. I want to tell each and every one of y'all something. Me and Catrice never was in a relationship. We never was, honestly. I got to keep it real with each and every one of y'all. Okay, me and Catrice was never in a relationship. And that guy that was sitting next to her though, them two in a relationship. They're not even married. I don't know why I called that dude her hubby. As far as I know, you know. And not only that, I met her two sons. So y'all never had a chance to see them yet, unless they're gonna be on the show in the future or whatever. But you know what? That guy is a clown. I'm sorry to say, but I don't know much to say about this guy though. Okay, but he told his son or her son, well, excuse me, all right, say that I was Catrice's ex boyfriend, and he kind of got small. Say you fooling with my mama? I'm like, man, whoa, wow, So I'll put it to you like this: that boy is somewhat like me. I remember when I was his age, I never used to like when my mama had boyfriends and all. I ain't like that, to be honest, because every relationship she had, I ain't like him. Johnny, some guy named Johnny, he was alright, but I ain't care for him. A man named Michael, God forgive me, he passed on and stuff like that. Skip him. And this man named Willie, the last man my mom was with, you know, uh, I really, he was a nutcase. God forgive me. I don't know if he deceased or still alive. Well, my word is this: if he's still alive, oh, what whoop de do? If he passed on, I hope he's burning in hell. Okay, move on. Okay, I'm sorry. Just in case, so some church members is watching this though. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm sorry to any other viewers that is watching me right now. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm very sorry. Okay. All right. And you know what? Let's go to my new friend Destiny. Okay. I want to tell y'all. As I was filming the choir at the gospel tent, I hope some of y'all watched that. I hope y'all watched it. Because it was very fun. Okay. That choir and all that. They sounded so good. The bishop and everything, nice stomping and all that. Yeah, it was so much fun at that gospel tent. That's why I shouted so loud. I could barely hear myself. You know. Okay. And another thing I want to say, Destiny, I said to myself, she wasn't smiling the whole time. I turned around, looked at the audience, turned around, and everything, put the camera on her. I don't know if the camera caught her smiling or what. Yeah, she smiled. And you know what I said? I stand corrected. I definitely stand corrected. I had to tell my auntie this. Oh yeah, because my cousin Terry, she really says that I'm interested in Destiny. Well, no, she just saw somebody I met. Okay, that's all. Okay, cause I don't like to jump the gun on things. Okay, so Destiny is a sweetheart. I don't know if she watching this video or what. I hope she watching this though to let her know that that she made a friend of Domino 7. Okay. So with Domino 7 here, yeah. All right, Destin, if you're watching this, God bless your new friend. Okay. And Shamika, you are not being replaced. Well, I already told you, Shamika. And Brittany, don't you worry. You not being replaced, okay? Brittany, please don't whip my booty. Nyla, please don't whip my booty, okay? You know, especially my girl Erica, with a big old booty. I, I I I sure love saying that word for some reason. All right. So I mean, I had fun at that Gentilly Fest, and this rapper, he from here. I know y'all watched the performance and all that. So I edited those videos together. So I'm gonna upload those videos in individually. Okay. All right. One clip at a time. Okay. All right. So that's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching and everything. All right. And Destiny, if you're watching this, God bless your new friend. Okay. So we'll always be friends. Okay. And as for Yaya and Tess, I already knew that they wasn't gonna be at the Gentilly Fest like they was in 2019. I hope y'all watched that episode from 2019. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye bye, y'all.